Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Anker Soundcore P3i earbuds with any Windows PC or laptop. First of all, before the pairing, just remember to input both earbuds inside, charge them for like 20 minutes by using this USB port, and also disconnect them from previously connected devices. Right now, when you do this, open this charging case and keep them in this case. Take a look for this indicator. Right now it is blinking slowly. We have to wait until it starts blinking quickly. It will take around 5 or 10 seconds. So just be patient. There we go. Right now, keep that case open. Oh, I just closed it. So we have to repeat, because right now we are out of the pairing mode. Okay, so right now just go to the settings, open Bluetooth and devices on the left side, turn it on with the switcher, click to add device, select Bluetooth, and from this list you have to select your Anker Soundcore P3i. So click on them once, then click connect. At the end you can open sound settings and check for output and the input device. And in most cases we have to manually switch for the microphone of our Anker Soundcore P3i earbuds, so we have to click on this arrow on this one. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.